The spool holder has two tabs. Push both at the same time to open plastic cover. Pull out the spool and remove old line. Insert the line into the hole. You can see it here. Leave the end of the line about 1 inch long, or even half an inch. Wind the line clockwise as the arrows show here. Carefully bend the line and wind it. Leave the end of the line about 5 inches long and then capture it in the slot. Thread the line into the eyelet. Install spool and then release the line. Install plastic cover. To advance the line, use this button. The line advances every time you press and release the button. If I made mistake and the line is too long, I have to open the cover again and rewind the line manually. Or I can help myself with my foot, which is more convenient and faster.